Get excited about the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Top features include power front seats, one-touch window functionality, voice-activated navigation, a power liftgate, blind spot sensor, and a split folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop in and take a test drive.